Daily AI News. Headlines for June 1, 26. Nvidia Cosmos 3 on Hugging Face. Nvidia RTX Spark, efficient chip. MiniMax M3, open-weight frontier. Microsoft Build 2026, AI focus. SoftBank invests €75 billion in French. Nvidia partners with Unitree. AMD announces Ryzen 7 7700X 3D. LLM agent exploits Marimo RCE. GitHub Copilot token billing. DeepSeek 75% off V4 Pro forever. Nvidia has launched Cosmos 3, a new world foundation model now available on Hugging Face. This unified Omni model combines world generation, physical reasoning, and action generation into a single architecture. It is built on a mixture of transformers design, consolidating previous separate models into one system. Cosmos 3 can generate realistic video from text or images and reason about physics and spatial relationships. It includes super and nano variants optimized for different GPU tiers. The model supports video and action prediction using a hybrid autoregressive and diffusion architecture. Nvidia has announced the RTX Spark, claiming it is the most efficient PC chip ever built. This announcement marks Nvidia's entry into the consumer laptop market. The chip is designed to deliver high performance while optimizing power usage, setting a new standard for efficiency. This move allows Nvidia to compete directly with traditional CPU manufacturers in laptops. The announcement was made by senior editor Sean Hollister, a founding member of The Verge who covers gadgets and technology. This development is significant because it could shift the balance of power in the PC industry, pushing other manufacturers to innovate. MiniMax has released MiniMax M3, a new open-weight frontier model combining advanced capabilities. M3 features MSA, a new sparse attention architecture enabling 1 million token context windows. It is natively multimodal, accepting image and video inputs and can operate a desktop computer. The model demonstrates strong performance, surpassing rivals on coding, multimodal understanding, and agent evaluation benchmarks. Users can access M3 via MiniMax code, API, and token plans. Microsoft Build 2026 is the company's annual developer conference, opening in San Francisco on June 2 with a keynote by Satya Nadella streaming at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Time. The event focuses on AI, featuring sessions on agentic AI workflows, GitHub Copilot updates, Azure AI Foundry, and Windows local AI capabilities. Microsoft confirms no Windows 12 announcement will be made. Key themes include advances in AI agents, cost governance, and responsible AI tooling, with Azure AI Foundry supporting models from OpenAI, Anthropic, and others. SoftBank Group has announced a major commitment to develop and operate 5 gigawatts of artificial intelligence data center capacity in France. This investment, valued at up to €75 billion, represents the group's largest AI infrastructure investment in Europe. The initiative supports French technological sovereignty and strengthens Europe's position in advanced technology. The first phase involves a €45 billion investment to deliver 3.1 gigawatts of capacity in the Hauts-de-France region by 2031. Specific locations include Dunkirk, Lune-Plage, Bosquel, and Bouchain. Nvidia has entered humanoid robotics by partnering with Chinese company Unitree for its first research robot system. The setup pairs Unitree's nearly 6-foot-tall H2 humanoid body with Nvidia's Jetson Thor hardware, featuring the Blackwell GPU for on-device AI. Sales to universities and institutions like Stanford and ETH Zurich are scheduled to begin later this year. The package includes Nvidia's Isaac GR00T AI models and simulation tools, plus mechanical hands from Sharpa. Jensen Huang announced this at Nvidia GTC during Computex 2026 in Taipei. At Computex 2026, AMD announced new processors and graphics cards to excite the gaming community. The company introduced the Ryzen 7 7700X 3D, bringing 3D V-Cache technology to a lower price point on the AM5 platform. This chip matches the 7800X 3D with 8 cores and 16 threads, but operates slightly slower and is priced at $329, launching July 16, 2026. Additionally, AMD released the Ryzen 7 5800X 3D 10th Anniversary Edition, celebrating a decade of the AM4 platform and 3D V-Cache technology. This processor uses the same proven chip as before. The company also confirmed the global availability of the Radeon RX 9070 GRE graphics card. Sysdig reported the first confirmed in the wild attack where an LLM agent autonomously pivoted from a Marimo RCE vulnerability to an internal database in 4 steps within 2 minutes. The target was a compromised Marimo Python notebook exposed on the internet via CVE 2026-39987, a pre-authentication remote code execution flaw affecting versions up to 0.20.4. An AI agent took control after initial access, making decisions and adapting without human direction, ultimately exfiltrating data from an internal database. GitHub is changing how it bills Copilot, moving from a flat subscription to a token-based usage model that takes effect on June 1. This shift has sparked significant backlash on social media, where developers shared screenshots showing potential monthly costs exploding from around $50 to thousands. Many smaller companies and individual workers fear the new model will make the tool financially unattainable, forcing them to balance their monthly budgets carefully. DeepSeek has made a 75% discount on its V4 Pro model permanent, escalating the AI price war. The Chinese startup cut prices to 87 cents per million output tokens, undercutting GPT-5, Gemini, and Claude. This move prioritizes market share over immediate revenue, targeting cost-effective million-token context for enterprise use. While the savings are significant, buyers must weigh them against geopolitical and compliance risks associated with a Chinese provider. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated. And turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you tomorrow for the next daily AI news.